Welcome to this video about ABB Building Edge. In this video, we will look at defining the metering structure. Under Site in the top menu, click Metering Structure. Here you can see the different types of meters: electricity, gas, water, and so on. For each, you can define the metering structure under the Metering tab. For electricity, we define the electrical distribution of the building, from the switchgears and its sections and meters down to the distribution panels. Under Actions, click the pencil icon to view or edit its details. Here you can see the incoming circuit. Below, you can add and edit subsidiary circuits and also select the section of the switchgear. Enter the circuit name. You can add a meter to the circuit and give it a name. Select the meter asset that corresponds to the meter type. When you are done, click Save. You can add a new switchgear by clicking here, for example, and you can also click the plus sign of any element to add a sub-element under it. Click the plus sign of the electrical switchgear, for example, to add a sub-distribution panel to a section of the switchgear, and define the incoming circuit of the switchgear section defined previously. Select the location of the newly created distribution panel. Click the pencil icon to edit its details as we have seen before. Here you can see the details of the distribution panel. There is an incoming circuit where you can declare a meter if there is one. You can also create several output circuits for the different power lines split in the distribution panel. For any output power line, you can define its meter. The other types of meters are simpler in that you only need to define meter hierarchy. Let's look at water metering. Here you can see the main water meter for the entire building, as well as the subsidiary water meters, one for each floor. You can either add a main meter for the building by clicking here, or you can add a sub-meter by clicking the plus sign of the meter to which it belongs. Select an asset. Enter the meter name and select the location. You can add multiple hierarchies of meters to fully manage a complete sub-meter network. Then click Save. Once you have defined the virtual metering structure, you now need to map the data points of the real physical meters to the virtual meters you have created. Click Mapping. Click each element to reveal its submeters. Unmapped meters are shown with a question mark. Click the meter you wish to map. Then click Edit next to Point Mapping to associate a data point of a real physical device. Click Feedbacks. This reveals a list of potential data points to display in the tools. To view the physical devices and select the ones to map, click Browse Networks. The system displays the various networks by protocol. Click the network to reveal its physical devices, and click the device to reveal its physical points. When you have found the network point you wish to map, drag and drop it to assign it to the corresponding virtual asset point. This window enables you to check the compatibility between the virtual point and the physical point, and convert units if needed. Then click Save. Repeat this process for the remaining points to map. You need not map all the points, just the ones you want. Some points may be left unmapped. To indicate that system mapping is finished, even if not fully complete, click the switch next to Mapping Finished. Finally, let's look at how to configure the energy management tree in Building Analyzer. Under Building Editor, click Building Analyzer. Here on the left, you can see the site tree with all the meters of the differing metering structures created in Building Edge, as well as their mapped data points. Now, you need to select the data points you wish to have appear in Building Analyzer in the cloud. To do this, drag and drop the selected data point from the site tree on the left to the node on the right under which you wish it to appear. Let's say you want to add the water and electricity meters. First, click the global tree. Then click Add Node to create the corresponding nodes in the tree. Then drag and drop the data points to the corresponding nodes. When you are finished, click Update Configuration. Now you can view the data fetched from these data points in Building Analyzer.